In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And this bonus is a kind of bonus that you can also withdraw from. Alright, and also one of the benefits of getting this bonus is that this bonus is also available for Nigerians. Alright, and in the previous video that I made, I also made a video on how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with, and the bonus is also for Nigerians. And if you have not been able to claim yours, the bonus is still very much available. You just have to do is head over to my previous video, watch the video to the very end, because I showed detailed step-by-step process on how you can get the bonus. All right, so as I said earlier, I'll be showing you and I will be taking you through the process of getting this $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with and that you can also withdraw from. All right, but before I continue to show you how you can get this bonus, I want you to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. Alright, so let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Alright, so the first step for us to take right here is head over to the description menu. I will drop in the link to get the bonus right there. You just have to click on it, then you're going to take you to where you're going to register. Alright, so you know the drill, you know how to register. You just have to follow these processes and fill out the forms, and after that just click on register. Alright, so after clicking on register, they are going to send you a verification link, so you have to input your email and you click on send verification link. After that, you head over straight to your Gmail app and then you check for their message. You are going to find a message like this, and after getting this message, you just have to click on verify email, and you click on verify email. After that, they are going to take you to their dashboard, which is this page, as you can see. So the next thing for us to do right now is to get verified. We have to verify our KYC, add our bank details, and nominee information. Alright, so let me take you through how you can do all these things. Alright, follow me very closely, because when I was doing mine, I missed out some, so I had to do them over and over again. So I would advise you to follow me very closely so that you don't miss out. Alright, because any simple mistake like this, boom, your bonus is gone. So follow me closely. Alright, so what you have to do right now is click on compliance right here. You click on the three menu button and then you click on compliance. After that, you click on documents upload. As you can see, we have document upload, we have bank details, and we also have add nominee details. So these are the three things we are going to be verifying. Right, so you know how to get verified now. First thing is to add our means of identification. Alright, so you click on it. So after clicking on document upload, as you can see right here, you just input your proof of identity and proof of address. And after that, there's something I want us to do very quickly, because I made this mistake and I don't want you guys to make it. Right, so follow me very closely. What we have to do is to update our profile information. All right, you have to update our profile information. So follow me closely as I show you how you can update your profile information. So all you just have to do is click on this three button here, right here, as I circled it. Click on it and it's going to bring out something like this. So you click on my profile, and then you click on this edit button right here, this pen button right here that I'm circling here. So you click on it and then you update this country. You see they are giving me India. I'm not from India, I'm from Nigeria, please. So you update everything and then you click on submit. So after updating your profile details, you have to add your bank details. Alright, don't forget we are verifying three things. You are verifying our means of identification, bank details, and nominee details. So you just upload your bank details here. After that, you click on submit as well. So after that, we have to add our nominee details. Alright, so we have to add our nominee details, as you can see here. So you add your nominee details, and after adding your nominee details, you have to click on submit as well. Alright, so you have to click on submit as well. After that, so after uploading all these three things, this is how your page is going to look. Your KYC is pending, your bank details, yes, nomination, yes. So we have to wait for our KYC to get verified. Alright, so after our KYC have been verified, it's going to take them like 24 hours before they can verify it. So after you have been verified, you just have to send a message to your support that you are requesting for your $30 no deposit bonus, and you have to input your trading ID. All right, so you input it and then you send a message to them that you are requesting for the 30 years no deposit bonus. After that, after a few minutes or hours, they are going to send a login details to you that you are going to use to log into your MT5 account, and after that your bonus is in your account. So I hope you're able to get this bonus. If you are not, let me know in the comment section. I will attend to you definitely. So don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for watching.